guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Sion and we're at Nabin Fashion. So I'm here to show you guys one of the hot selling products that's currently in high demand right now. So this is not a waist trainer, it's a shaper, it's a legging, and yes, it's the one I'm wearing right now. I'm going to show you. So look at this. This is a shaper, it's a legging. So it's a high waist legging with hooks. Let me come closer so you can see it has hooks. So the hooks, it has 3 rows. It has 3 rows of hooks. I'm wearing it at the last because it's bigger on me. But as you can see, it has 3 options. And look at it. Look out how it hides my belly. See? When I'm wearing it, it definitely hides my belly. So this leg shaper is really in demand right now. This is really beneficial, especially for those moms who just gave birth and who wants to hide the baby fat we have. So for those people, it's really recommended because it definitely hides, as you saw from the video, it hides the lower belly fats, and also it's not tight, it's really elastic. You can see it's really elastic. Not just this, but the legging also is very elastic. You can see it's really elastic. So the material it's made of, this mesh material, this part, it's 94% polyester and 6% spandex, okay? And the legging part is 75% nylon and 25% spandex, okay? That's why it's so elastic. The size really, like, normally I wear a medium size. So this one, I think I can even fit on a small size because it's so elastic. So it doesn't matter if you buy whichever size, you're going to fit in it even when you're losing weight, okay? If you're interested in this waist trainer, don't forget to comment on this video, or you can send us a DM on Instagram. I'm going to leave it on the description box, and you can send us a DM there, okay? And if you're interested in any other products we have, just send us a DM, all right? So that's it for today. I'm going to see you guys in another video next time. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, okay? And leave us a comment. I will get back to you. I'll see you guys next time.